Hello, my name is Augustine Nguyen, and I'm the Applications Engineer at Symmetry Electronics, and I'm here to unbox Telit LTE-In-A-Box Kit. Here we have Telit LTE-In-A-Box Kit in its entirety. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out is the EVKT2 development board. So here we have the actual development board, a tool for engineers looking to design and program their own cellular applications. This hardware development board is what's needed to interface with a variety of Telit cellular modules with its 40-pin connectors. With the development board, you'll be able to program and test legacy and future Telit modules via AT commands through the serial ports. You can program your specific Telit module via a USB Type-B or these RS-232 serial port interfaces. Selection of what serial port you want to use is made through the simple jumper configuration on the motherboard. The dev board also provides a variety of peripherals to help you get started with your application design. All GPIO pins can be read by the module connected via the 40-pin male connectors. There's also some audio input-output options. There's one single-ended microphone line, one single-ended earpiece output, and a 2-speaker output options. The board also has a SIM card holder to make sure that your application is compatible with any carrier service. Please make sure you contact your carrier to ensure that it is activated before any application development. The Telit LE910 module interface board is needed in order to connect to the EVK2 development board through its 40-pin male connectors. The LE910 module combines high-speed wireless connectivity combined with embedded GNSS position tracking. The board has its own SIM card holder, also additional GPIO pins to connect peripheral devices like sensors or flash storage. To support cellular connectivity and GNSS, the interface board has 3 RF SMA connectors, one for GNSS, one for the main cellular connection, and one for cellular RX diversity. Keep in mind that there are 2 variants for the series, one for the North American market and another one for the European market. Both series have multi-band configurations for the 3G and 4G sets. Make sure that the LE910 module is compatible with the carrier that you want your application to be developed for. The Telit LTE-In-A-Box also includes a variety of accessories. You first have a quick start guide to help you get started with your designs, a power cable to power your project with an external power supply, an external cellular antenna, a USB cable for programming and debugging, a GPS patch antenna, an AC adapter to power your board, a Ethertronic cellular demo board, a SMA to SMA coaxial cable, a SIM card, and an external mounted cellular antenna. You can purchase the LTE in a box through our website, semiconductorstore.com, or through Mouser Electronics. Symmetry will also provide technical support in order to help you find the right module or variant for your application needs.